Spacee is a company that focuses on post-mobile augmented reality for the masses. It makes interacting with the world easier. At Spacee, I'm part of this Deming robotics group where we build smart devices to automate out-of-stock prevention and planogram compliance. And we use Azure in our intelligent edge and intelligent cloud development. Last time I was shopping, went to the store, and I was looking for toilet paper. As I go shop around, and when the shelves are empty, I felt like I want to buy more. I mean, out of stock compliance is important to any shopper, right? To make sure that stores have everything that they need. When you think about it, if this crisis happened 25 years ago, even 10 years ago, it would be a different world. As a software engineer, I get to be creative, logical, and I'm able to work with others. I can do my productive work at home. We've used Visual Studio Live Share for collaboration, Visual Studio Online, all the different utilities that is out there to help us improve our communication. We have limited sets of projects that we can tackle on, or different problems that we can tackle on. Software engineers, we make an impact in everyday lives of people. It's true, the world runs with code.